Hello. In this session, we'll learn about drill down concept in Power BI. Okay. So drill down allows users to move from high level summary of data to a more detailed view. Instead of showing everything at once, data is organized into multiple levels, making reports cleaner and easier to analyze. For example, a time-based hierarchy data can be structured as year, month, is a year, quarter, month, and then day. At first, we see yearly data, and when we drill down, we can analyze performance quarter wise, then month wise, and then finally a day wise. Another example is the business hierarchy, where you can drill down like initially a company to region, then country, division, and unit. This helps stakeholders quickly identify where performance is strong or where attention is needed. One of the key benefits of drill down is that it gives the option to view a summarized data first and then explore deeper details only when required. This improves the decision making, reduces the cluster, and enhances the report inactivity. In short, drill down makes a report more dynamic, user friendly, and insightful. Let's see an example. Okay, so here we have our file city. So we'll just take one of the visualizations and go for this stack column chart, and we'll see whatever the data we require. We'll take this order data. Okay, and let's see where it is onto the x-axis and the profit into the y-axis. So here, since we have it for the single data, you can see it has taken only a single graph or a single column has been appeared. Okay. So if I want to understand what like how much it has taken for monthly, year wise or quarter wise, then I can see sum of profit like 36,963. But if I want to understand onto the quarter basis, I simply have to go here, go to the next level in the hierarchy, these two arrow down buttons, or I can say expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Okay. So first we'll see what we'll just use this one. So once I click it, so it has taken split it at like a full year into this quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four. Now we can understand which quarter has the highest amount of profit and which has the lowest level of profit. Okay, see here it's a negative. So similarly, if I want to go now into the month wise, I just simply have to click this and I'll have for every month of those. Okay, so it is going to be for January, February, March, and whenever the days till December. Okay. One more interesting thing is like we can also see for each month and we can see day wise into that. So I just simply have to click on this. See, it is giving me a day wise hierarchy into a day wise now, like from 0 to 5, how much it was, like what was the profit and how much. Okay. So this is how this particular function works. Now let's just drill up, okay, and we'll go and explore this function that's called as expand all down one level in the hierarchy. Okay, so it first goes into like quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. Then same way it is going to show us in a quarterly basis like January, February, March, and this is quarter two and quarter three and quarter four, like but the month wise. Again, if I click here, now it is going to show us in every day, like every day of that month for January, how much profit or loss we have taken, and it is going to show us till December. Okay, so the difference between this that it expands, like it yearly shows us all the data once we take it. So let's again see, and I'm just going to use it. Go to the next level in hierarchy. There's two arrow down buttons, and see it has just given us quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, and quarter four. It's just giving us the like it just going a tip inside January, February like that. And it is going in average like from 0 to 5 how much. It is not going to give us like a day wise. But if we just go and expand, click on this expand, it is showing us in the exact format exactly how this thing works. Okay, so this is how the drill down or drill up works. Let's see about filters in Power BI. So basically, filtering data means displaying data based on a selected conditions. Instead of showing the entire data sets, Power BI allows us to filter data so that only specific values are visible. For example, if a report contains sales data for multiple years, we can apply a filter to show data for only 1 year, such as 2025. Filters can be applied at different levels on individual visuals, entire pages, or the complete report. Types of filters in Power BI. So Power BI provides three main types of filters: visual level filter, page level filter, and report level filter. This visual level filter applies only to a single visual, such as a chart or a table. Other visuals on the same page remain unaffected. Page level filter applies to all visuals on a specific report page. It is useful when you want the entire page to show filtered data. Report level filter. This filter applies to all pages in the report. Once applied, the filter affects every visual across the entire report. How filters works? When a filter is applied in Power BI, only the selected data is displayed. All unselected data is hidden. The data is not deleted, it is simply excluded from the view until the filter is removed or unchanged. This allows users to dynamically analyze data without modifying the data. Let's now understand how the filtering works. Okay. So first we'll create a chart here and we'll just say we want on the x-axis, I'll say I want a category as well as we'll take a subcategory. And on the y-axis we'll take a profit. Okay. So if you can see we have like this much tables of data. I'll just zoom it. Okay. So if you see we have this much like every category has a subcategory here, okay, that is mentioned. But I don't want all of this data to be presented. So what I can do, I can just go into this filters pane. I'll just hide this visualization, and if you see here it has this three, right, filters on this visual, like how we have seen, like there are three types, like visuals, then on the page, and then on all the pages. So this is like a report level. Okay. So I can say like filter on this visual. If I just click here, it is showing me these three main categories that it is. Suppose if I just click on clothing, it is only going to give me the clothing like the for clothing whatever the profit or loss it has. Okay. So, but if I like unselected, it is again giving me for everything. I can just either see it only for electronics, only for furniture. This is how this filters on the visual works. Okay. Now, basically, there is again a new filter for subcategory as well, and it has all this data. Okay, but I don't want to see for everything. I only want to see for the top five. We can see. So here I'm just clicking on this basic filtering, and here we have an option like top n. If I click here, and there is like two options like top and bottom. I want to see for top. I can see I want it for five, and here by value add data fields, I can go and select here like a profit, and if I say apply, it is going to give me the top five subcategories, and you can just see it is giving me categories as well, and to that categories like the whole, like whatever the top five profit gaining subcategories or categories it is showing me here. Similarly way I can just go here and I'm just selecting it bottom now, and I'm just saying apply. See, it is giving me the top, like the bottom five of the least ones which have been into like not profitable, that's a loss. It is going to give me this. So this is how a filtering works, and you can see a different level of filters and apply, and we can have that visual as per our requirement. Hope you guys have understand the concept of drilling and filtering. Thanks for watching this video.